This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping content to visuals. Pick 3 main messages and assign 1 slide to each. Once done, lock a 16:9 layout, 2 fonts, and a simple color palette so every slide feels unified. Next, collect 2 to 3 strong images or icons that match your tone. Make sure they share a consistent style. This immediate focus prevents endless tweaking and gets you into building mode fast. Start placing assets on the first slide now and keep momentum. You now construct each slide around a single visual hierarchy. First, apply a grid and set one clear focal point so viewers know where to look. Then, cut text ruthlessly. 3 bullets or about 6 words per line keeps attention. Use contrast and size to indicate importance and give elements breathing room with white space. This reduces cognitive load. Once the structure is in place, add subtle entry animation and consistent iconography so your flow feels intentional and professional. You finish by polishing and testing. Run the slideshow to check timing and spoken pacing and tweak transitions for clarity. Export as PDF when sharing static notes or MP4 for self-running presentations. Choose resolutions that match the display. If elements shift or fonts break on another device, reset the layout, reapply the grid, and embed fonts or use PDFs. One key troubleshooting tip: if images misalign, replace them with properly cropped versions and ensure use guides and grid snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.